Good day to you fine people with the internet. It is I, Milk. Today I want to show you guys my first ever custom keyboard build. I'm new to this whole custom keyboard scene and to creating YouTube videos in general, so please be nice to me. The video quality on this is a bit dookie because I shot this all on my iPhone. Please don't copyright me. And if you can't already tell, I'm an absolute noob when it comes to video editing. I mean, I'm using Premiere Pro, but the 7-day free trial version of it, so I had to any percent glitchless speedrun this video. I'm feeling a bit under the weather as well, so that's why my voice sounds so stuffy. But let's stop all these excuses and get to the build. The board of choice for today's build is the glorious GMMK 10 keyless. I chose this board because it's a bit more budget friendly than other options on the market.
No.
In all seriousness though, the board is actually really good for the price, and it's hot swappable, so you can interchange the switches easily. The board came with a thin foam on the inside, but I had some more to get more of that thawk. I chose to use the Alpaca V2 switches for this build. The reviews online made them seem like one of the top linear switches on the market. I picked these up from Prime Keyboards for $40 for 90 switches. I personally really like these switches, and my board ended up having a pretty unique sound afterwards. I lubed my switches with Crytox 205 grade 0, and please don't mind my stupid face and hair that peeks out of the corner of the screen. Anyways, I bought cherry PCB stabs, but they didn't fit on the board for some reason, so I'm using the stock stabs. But I lubed them and clip mounted the stems, as well as used dielectric grease for the wire. I picked up these Sub Japanese PBT Keycaps from KBD Fans. These ran me about $42, and they're super simple, but I really like them. They cover my RGB from the GMMK, but I don't mind that because I'm not an RGB fiend. This build took me around a week to complete. I just found it a bit challenging to find time to sit and lube switches for 4 hours plus. But if you turn on Nintendo music on YouTube and just crank it out, it's actually not that bad. I'm actually really satisfied with the results, and I enjoyed going through the process of building this keyboard. I was inspired to make this YouTube video because of the god himself, Teot Types. I really like his aesthetic and his build quality, and I hope one day I can reach the same level of craftsmanship that he has. But for now, I'll stick with my hotspot boards. And I know you can hear a buzz throughout the video, and I'm sorry for that, and I'm not really sure how to fix it, so I just tried covering it with the music. The board ended up coming out a bit different than I expected. I was looking to create a more thawky sound, but my board ended up being a bit clacky. I honestly don't mind the sound at all, and I've grown to actually really like it. The number keys are super soothing to spam, and the stabs actually didn't turn out half bad. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like and comment. And if you didn't enjoy it, dislike it, and leave a comment on what I could do to improve. If this video gets to 100 likes, I will pay for a Premium Pro, and I'll actually learn how to edit to produce high quality content. I will also use some of the money I've been saving up from my job to build a new keyboard so I can upload more content for you guys. Now that's enough talking. Here's the sound test for you guys.